Hi, I'm Nancy Berliner from HPE Technical Marketing Engineering. HPE Alletra Block Storage for Azure and HPE Alletra Block Storage for AWS are software-defined storage solutions that bring the capabilities of the HPE Alletra Storage MP B10000 to the public cloud with unified experience and enterprise-class features. HPE's Data Services Cloud Console, or DSCC, allows you to manage both on-prem and software-defined storage from a single pane of glass. This video will demonstrate how you can set up a new block storage for Azure system in minutes. To set up a new Azure system, you simply need to link your public cloud account, claim your device subscription, and compose your software-defined system. You need to link your Azure cloud account only once. If that hasn't yet been done, go to the Azure Accounts page in Data Ops Manager, provide your account information, and give it the name it will be known by in DSCC. This will create an Azure Resource Manager template that you can download to your PC and execute in your Azure account. Then, come back to DSCC and simply validate that the linkage is completed properly. Next, you'll need to onboard your device just as you would for any device, whether on-prem or in the cloud. You'll have received an email with your system serial number and subscription key to enter into DSCC's Add Devices and Add Subscriptions dialogues. But there's already a step-by-step video in DSCC's Getting Started area that walks you through this process, so I'm not going to cover it here. Once that's all done, the device will appear in the list of software-defined systems and will be ready to be composed. Select the Azure account, region, and availability zone to use. If you've already created an Azure Virtual Network, you can select it here, or select Create to download an Azure template and produce a new VNet. Then give your system a name and browse for the license file that you also received via email. It takes a few minutes for the composition to complete, so I've skipped ahead to the finished result. In the Cloud Resources area for the system, you can view the topology, which includes the replication and iSCSI host interfaces, a pair of controller nodes, and the back-end storage. DSCC has automatically reserved all the Azure resources for you, such as the 2 VMs that make up the system's controller nodes and the disk storage. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit hpe.com/storage.